How to disable smart data saver on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable smart data saver on Android phone. First then open settings and then scroll down until you find mobile network and then click data usage, and here you will find smart data saver. Now just click on it. You will find it like that. All you need to do is just disable it, click on it, and that's it. And then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to disable smart data saver on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.